Exercise 1. Antigone spent a total of $15 on oranges and pears. Oranges cost 1.50 per pound and pears cost 1.20 per pound. If Antigone bought 4 pounds of pears, so let's see, since each pound of pear costs 1.20, the 4 pounds that she bought would be worth 4 times 1.20, which is $4.80. This means that out of the total $15 she paid, the 4.20 would be for pears. So the remaining amount would be spent on oranges. So 15 minus 4.20, that would obviously be equal to $10.20, which makes the right answer for this exercise C.